Hi all, this is the certificate course run by Computer Science Department, St. Paul's College, Kalamassery. The certificate course is on data science for the beginners. The first module is based on the data science introduction. There are 5 sessions on this module. This is the first session. Then the introduction of data science, the first module. Condenser, what is data science components, data mining, and data warehousing, big data and data science hype, the data science process, data science and ethical issues, discussions on privacy, security, ethics. A look back at data science job roles in present era. Next is next generation data scientist. And the last topic is tools for data science. So this is the first session, and this session includes what is data science components, data mining, and data warehousing. We can see these 3 topics here. Starting from what is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data and apply knowledge and actionable insights from data across a broad range of application domains. So there are 4 steps in the data science field. The first is asking the correct questions and analyzing the raw data. The second is modeling the data using various complex and efficient algorithms. Third is visualizing the data to get better perspective. Then the last and fourth one is understanding the data to make better decisions and finding final results. And what are the fields which data science is related to? It includes, the first one is data mining, and it is the process of extracting and discovering patterns in large data sets involving methods at the intersection of machine learning, statistics, and database systems. Second is machine learning, and it is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically experience and by the use of data. It is seen as part of artificial intelligence. The next is big data, and it's a field that treats ways to analyze, systematically extract information from, or otherwise deals with the data sets that are too large or complex to be dealt with by traditional data processing application software. Then, when we take a look into the data science, it is a concept to unify statistics, data analysis, informatics, and their related methods in order to understand and analyze actual phenomena with the data. It uses techniques and theories drawn from many fields within the context of mathematics, statistics, computer science, information science, and domain knowledge. Data science is different from computer science and information science. The Turing Award winner, Jim Gray, imagined data science as a fourth paradigm of science: empirical, theoretical, computational, and now the data-driven. And it is asserted that everything about science is changing because of the impact of information technology and the data dialogue. The data science is an interdisciplinary field focused on extracting knowledge from data sets. Data sets which are typically large, and applying the knowledge and actionable insights from data to solve problems in a wide range of application domains. The field encompasses, first one is preparing data for analysis, then the next is formulating data science problems, analyzing data, developing data-driven solutions, presenting findings to inform high-level decisions in a broad range of application domains. The data science incorporates several skills from different fields, and the given below is the list of fields which incorporates in the data science. It includes, the first one is computer science, then the statistics, information science, then the mathematics, information visualization, data integration, graphic design, complex systems, communication, and the business. There are several technologies and techniques included or using in the data mining or data science. The techniques includes first one, it's linear regression. The linear regression is a linear approach to modeling the relationship between scalar response and one or more explanatory variables, and it's also known as dependent and independent variables. The next is logistic regression, or we can also call it as logistic model or logit model, and it is used to model the probability of a certain class or even existing, such as pass or fail, win or lose, alive or dead, or healthy or sick, etc. The next technique is decision tree. A decision tree is a decision support tool that uses a tree-like model of decisions and their possible consequences, including chance event outcomes, resource costs, and utility. It is one way to display an algorithm that only contains conditional control statements. The next technique is support vector machine. In machine learning, support vector machines, that is SVMs, also support vector networks, are supervised learning models with associated learning algorithms that analyze data for classification and regression analysis. Then the next technique is clustering. Cluster analysis or clustering is the task of grouping a set of objects in such a way that objects in the same group, that's called a cluster, are more similar in some sense to each other than to those in other groups, that is clusters. It is a main task for exploratory data analysis and a common technique for statistical data analysis used in many fields, and that the fields includes, the first one is pattern recognition, the second is image analysis, then the next information retrieval, bioinformatics, data compression, computer graphics, then the next is machine learning. So here is dimensionality reduction. So what is dimensionality reduction or dimension reduction? It is the transformation of data from a high dimensional space into a low dimensional space, so that the low dimensional representation retains some meaningful properties of the original data, ideally close to its intrinsic dimension. Then the next is machine learning. Machine learning, it is the study of computer algorithms that improve automatically through experience and by the use of data. It is seen as a part of artificial intelligence. Then the machine learning algorithms build a model based on sample data, known as training data, in order to make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed to do so. Then the different components in the data science includes statistics, domain experts, data engineering, visualization, advanced computing. When we talk about these components, the first one, statistics. It is one of the most important components of data science. Statistics is a way to collect and analyze the numerical data in a large amount and finding meaningful insights from it. Domain expertise in data science, it binds the data science together. Domain expertise means specialized knowledge or skills of a particular area. In data science, there are various areas for which we need domain experts. The next is data engineering, and it is a part of data science which involves acquiring, storing, retrieving, and transforming the data. Data engineering also includes metadata, that is, data about the data, to the data. Then visualization. The data visualization is made by representing data in a visual context so that the people can easily understand the significance of data. Data visualization makes it easy to access the huge amount of data in visuals. Advanced computing means the heavy lifting of data science is advanced computing. And advanced computing involves designing, writing, debugging, and maintaining the source code of computer programs. Then, the next topic is data warehousing and data mining. The pictorial form represents a flowchart of the data, the way of data extracted to the data warehouse, and using the tool, the data mining. What is the data warehouse? A data warehouse is a technique for collecting and managing data from varied sources to provide meaningful business insights. It is a blend of technologies and components which allows the strategic use of data. Data warehouse is electronic storage of large amount of information by a business which is designed for query and analysis instead of transaction processing. It is a process of transforming data into information and making it available to users for analysis. And when we talk about what is data mining is looking for hidden, valid, and potentially useful patterns in huge data sets. Data mining is all about discovering unsuspected, previously unknown relationships amongst the data. And also, the data mining is a multidisciplinary skill that uses machine learning, statistics, artificial intelligence, and database technology. The insights extracted via data mining can be used for marketing, fraud detection, and scientific discoveries. What are the key differences between data mining and data warehousing? It includes some of the main points where it shows that data mining is considered as a process of extracting data from large data sets, whereas a data warehouse is a process of pooling all the relevant data together. The next point is data mining is the process of analyzing unknown patterns of data, whereas a data warehouse is a technique for collecting and managing data. The data mining is usually done by business users with the assistance of engineers, while data warehousing is a process which needs to occur before any data mining can take place. The next point is data mining allows users to ask more complicated queries, which would increase the workload, while data warehouse is complicated to implement and maintain. Data mining helps to create suggestive patterns of important factors like the buying habits of customers, while data warehouse is useful for operational business systems like CRM systems when the warehouse is integrated. We can see this technique in Flipkart, Amazon, Myntra like apps. And why we use data warehouse? The most important reasons for using data warehouse are it integrates many sources of data and helps to decrease stress on a production system. Next is optimized data for reading access and consecutive disk scans. Then the data warehouse helps to protect data from the source system updates. It allows users to perform master data management. It improves data quality in source systems. Then why we use data mining? Some of the important reasons for using data mining are it establishes relevance and relationships amongst data, and use this information to generate profitable insights. Business can make informed decisions quickly. It helps to find out unusual shopping patterns in grocery stores. It optimizes website business by providing customized offers to each visitor. It helps to measure customers' response rates in business marketing, creating and maintaining new customer groups for marketing purposes. Predict customer defections, like which customers are more likely to switch to another supplier in the nearest future. Then the next is differentiate between profitable and unprofitable customers. It identifies all kinds of suspicious behavior as part of a fraud detection process. This session's over, so thanks everyone. If there's any queries or questions, please feel free to ask.